Welcome, friends. Welcome to English Academy. Today, I'm going to tell you the basics of report writing along with a sample report. Now, let me tell you what a report is. A report is a short, sharp, and concise document. It means giving a lot of information clearly but briefly in about 150 to 200 words. A report is always written with a purpose. Either you describe an event or an incident for a particular audience. You write a report for a school magazine, journal, or for a newspaper. Let me pour a little more light on report writing. A report is a written document of something that has been observed about, heard, done, or investigated. It is a systematic and well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place. You need to remember a few points before writing a report. Provide a suitable title or heading. Mention the place and the date. Write the name of the reporter. Report has to be written in 3 sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. Include information where you collect the information from the people who've been affected by the event. Write the report in past tense, reported speech, and always use passive form of expression. Develop ideas logically, especially when you're telling about the causes, reasons, consequences, and opinions. Write in a descriptive manner while writing a report for a school magazine. Present your ideas in an interesting way. Now know the format of report writing. Always start with a heading, a descriptive title that expresses the contents of the report. Below that, you have the byline, that is reported by XYZ. On the left hand side, you need to mention the place and the date. Now, divide your report into 3 sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. In the intro, you need to answer the 5 W's. What? That is, what was the event about? Who conducted it? When was it conducted? Where was it scheduled? Next line you answer, why was it conducted? And also mention who were the participants of that event. Now you see, you would have answered the 6 W's. For the body or the main contents, you need to mention how the event started and what all happened and what were the main highlights of that event. Now the concluding part, you need to sum up with the last part of the event and end up your report with a positive note. For your better understanding, I am presenting a sample of a report. Independence Day was celebrated in your school. District Magistrate Miss Indu Bala Sharma was the chief guest. Write a report on the functions in about 150 to 200 words describing all the activities that took place. You are head boy or head girl. Independence Day celebration at school by Sandhya, head girl, Bangalore, 9th August 2021. JSS Public School celebrated Independence Day with great enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. On the morning of August 15, 2020, our students presented handmade greeting cards and tricolor flag badges to the senior management functionaries of the school. The cultural program at school commenced with everyone singing Vande Mataram, followed by flag hoisting by the chief guest, Mrs. Indu Bala Sharma, the district magistrate. The spirit of freedom and nationalism was well exhibited by the students as well as the teachers through a spectrum of patriotic poems, speeches, quizzes on freedom fighters, songs, and dances. Committed to the task of nation building, both faculty and students pledged to serve their motherland through spreading education and serving the community. A presentation on the historical evolution of the national flag of India was shown. A few of them spoke on the history and significance of the Independence Day and shed light on the special highlight of the celebrations. It ended with a speech by the principal on the topic, "What does freedom mean to me?" The celebration concluded with the inspiring words of the principal madam, followed by the national anthem and distribution of refreshments. It was quite interesting to make a video for you. If you have any questions, put them down in the chat box. I would definitely revert back. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Meet you again. Happy learning. Goodbye.